We got 20 the cheapest snacks that we've never tried before in Japan. So let's try them. First off, we have the cola ball. And it's only 10 yen, which is 6 cents. It's like a little jelly ball, so...
Personally, I don't like jelly.
It's like cola jelly. I guess if you really like cola, it's a good cheap alternative to buying the soda. 18 calories. Mazui. It's not that great.
Just buy Coca-Cola.
This next one is called Pandaro. And it's only 12 yen, which basically is 8 cents. It's a butter cookie. And it looks like, isn't that cute?
I did.
Is the face different there? Oh, the face is different. Alright, go ahead and try it.
Not sure.
Mmm. It's like a good butter cookie. Definitely worth it. The next one is called...
Marutanoshi.
That's only 25 yen, basically 16 cents. Just like these little ball, I guess like rock candy.
Why my one is yellow?
You know why.
Because I'm Asian.
No, because your favorite color.
Am I? Do I?
Just eat the candy.
Just sugar. Yeah.
Yeah, it's not that great.
Yeah.
This is called Yagai Pencil. And it looks like a Slim Jim.
He speak like the Genki book. Yagai pencil.
I think this is probably, yeah, just not spicy.
Can you open it?
It tastes like, yeah, just your basic. I think this is chicken flavor. What is your favorite color? Oh, pretty cute. A little question here. Reminds me of the Go-Gurts. I mean, what do you think? You've never tried a Slim Jim. Probably won't buy it again.
Maybe when I drink beer.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, it's alright. On to the next. This next one is called Amai Kataro. It's also 20 cents. Oh wow, that's really sticky. Just a slice of
Paper.
oops. Just take it all.
Nope.
Okay, I see how this is. Cheers. It tastes like squid. Like really sweet squid.
If you don't like seafood, you don't like it.
Yeah.
But I'm okay with it.
You like it? You can finish it. This next one is called Uranai Choco. Like M&M's but smaller.
Look like Piccolo's nipple.
Piccolo's nipple. I'm gonna give you all the green ones just
No. Yada. Actually,
oh. Yeah, it's good. It's like milk chocolate inside. And the layer outside is like very crunchy. Yeah, you should try this one. And tobacco is cheaper in Japan. Only 25 cents. Looks just like... Kind of tastes like chalk. I mean, for a quarter, it's not bad. Shabeto pero. Pero is lick in Japanese.
Pero.
Also, only 25 cents. It's like kind of like a sour powder. Now I don't know what to do. Okay, that's kind of dangerous.
Why is powder?
The powder went up my throat, kind of like that. So, on to the next one. That one's called Sosu Senbei, and it's also only 25 cents. It's kind of like bread, basically, and then we have put the sauce on top. Is that kind of like...
Does it smell like takoyaki sauce?
I was thinking more, yakisoba or the okonomiyaki. It smells like okonomiyaki sauce.
It's
25 cents.
Yeah. It barely overpriced.
I don't know if I'll buy this again, but I think the saltiness goes with the plainness in a way, but no. Oh, that was like don't buy.
Next one is another senbei.
And that one's also 25 cents. Except the difference is that's plum.
Plum, oh, okay.
So it's gonna be really sour.
Okay.
Yeah, I didn't tell you. Okay, and then sandwich it.
What's another?
And we're gonna smash it. Yosh. Not bad. It's so like on the roof of my mouth. It's on the roof of my mouth and I can't move it.
I cannot take it.
I think it's better than the last one, but I'm personally not a fan.
Me too. I like senbei, but sauce is not a good.
It's like a really flat senbei, so. Alrighty. This next one is called Makengumi Budo.
You speak like Troy. Makengumi Kudo.
Makengumi Budo. This looks like a gummy in the shape of a hand. You know the sticky like rubber hands? That's what that reminds me of. This is just like the sticky hand. The sticky hand. I'm gonna do the thing. Oh! Did you see that? Wait, that's a reference. That's a reference. What is that reference of? Isn't that anime where some guy has a mark on his hand or something?
Everybody has some mark on there.
I'm just gonna ignore you. This is really good. It tastes like great flavor. A little too much, you want more? Okay. 48 yen, 30 cents. Very good. I found a new favorite gummy.
The next one is Katoyo-chan.
It's a Smurf with a squid head.
Mm-hmm.
And the Smurf is also not blue.
Yeah.
It's normal human color.
Look Asian, localizing.
It looks like just a bunch of squid chunks. Dry squid chunks. You already tried it? How is it?
It's sour.
It's like cueritos. Like, yeah, it's sour.
Not
Kind of like, yeah, that's. Kyodai. Also 50 yen. Equivalent of 32 cents at the moment. But apparently this one had 4 balls before. So.
I only have 2.
I only have 2 also. Yeah, that's actually a plum.
I cannot.
Yes, you can. This is for you guys. Eat. I also hate this. I also hate them. So. Oh, come on. Oh. Well, I finished it.
I did too.
If you like plum snacks, go for it.
It's a printed 10,000 yen.
10,000 yen.
Yeah.
Also, this bill is gonna get replaced soon. So
Yeah. This guy is my favorite guy.
everybody's favorite guy.
Yeah.
It's the Japanese Benjamin Franklin.
I don't know, like just I like in that he's on the 10,000 yen.
And do you have the golden ticket?
No.
No. You did break it. This is the chocolate, and it looks like kind of like a crunch chocolate bar. Mmm. That's pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Milk chocolate with the crunchy part in the back. The rest. I'll eat the rest of it.
Yep.
I love chocolate. I think for 45 cents is pretty good. This next one is called Ototo.
Ototoi.
For 100 yen or 64 cents to get a box this big, that's a really good deal, isn't it? I think they're like goldfish, but in shapes of dinosaurs.
Ooh.
I love dinosaurs. Even better, you got 2 bags. Yeah, that smells like curry.
Yeah, smell like when you open the Nissin, the curry ramen. Same
Yeah.
smell.
They got a bunch of like different shapes and stuff. But oh, that's pretty good. That looks like a rabbit.
Yeah.
Okay, they're not all dinosaurs. They lied to me. But anyways, the texture is kind of like goldfish, but I think like a thinner.
Yeah.
So like a thinner layer of like goldfish, but curry flavor. Honestly, I really like it. What do you think?
Is it good? In the more thinner than goldfish, so more little bit of crispy texture with the curry.
But I mean, 64 cents for a bag with it. It's pretty good. Try it. These are called umaibon, and they have so many flavors. Only 12 yen, so that's 8 cents. I believe this one is salami. And that's basically what you get here. It's like a puff that's rolled into a circle. And yeah, I guess it's like a little sprinkle of salami. Right? It's pretty good.
I like it. Yakitori flavor. The chicken skin. When you lick it, that one. Same taste.
It's just like sarada. Vegetables.
It's okay, but I think we had to eat the yakitori ones later. The flavor was so strong, so cannot taste too well.
Yeah, you can't really taste it much. So I think this is takoyaki flavored. Tastes like takoyaki.
But more sweeter.
Yeah, pretty sweet. But it's pretty good. This here is called kinyaku bowl. And it's 30 yen, basically 20 cents. Kinyaku is more like a powder that you put on the mochi sometimes. It's gonna make a mess. And
It looks like, you know, when you go to the park, the dog shit on the...
yeah, I don't know if I could eat it now. But it tastes like Nani's one.
I don't know, is it melting sugar with the
It's kind of like
bean powder?
like the texture of like nugget or not nugget.
Maybe texture like cookie dough?
Yeah, kind of like cookie dough, but kinako is like so like neutral taste. It doesn't taste like anything, so I don't like it. I don't know. Bebista ramen.
Mini.
It's 29 yen, 18 cents. It's just basically rye ramen. We used to eat the cup ramen with just hot sauce. Kind of like dry.
It's good.
Yeah, that's good. And I guess you could use it as a topping too, so.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Finally, we are on to the last one. And the most expensive item, kombu. It's 108 yen and 69 cents. So, and it comes in a really fancy box. So, you know, it's gotta be good.
No, it's not a good to me.
It's like Mexican candy. It smells terrible. It is seaweed after all.
Yeah, you seem like SpongeBob's candy.
I guess. Ugh! It tastes like seaweed. Like a sour seaweed. It's not bad, but